Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Okay, let's go back from the beginning. Adana Pracheda, under this category is Atagata. The matter arises at the arising moment of the Jadas and ceases at the dissolution moment of the Jadas. According to this, the lifespan of the matter can be said 70 moment. See, so 17 moment. There, under the terminology of Ekapada Nanani Roda, the matter that arises at the arising moment of the Jadas, it ceases at the dissolution moment of another Jadas. Here also, it can be said the lifespan of the matter is 70, or we also can say the lifespan of the matter is 16. Not exactly, because Adana Pracheda, it is exactly, you see, arises at the arising moment of the Jada, ceases at the dissolution moment of the 78 Jadas. According to that, we can say the lifespan of the matter is 70. If it is say, arises at the arising moment of the Jadas, ceases at the dissolution moment of another Jadas. In this case, the Jada is not mentioned exactly, so just another Jada. In this case, the lifespan of the matter can be said to be 16. Under the terminology of Nanupada Ekaniroda also, the matter arises at arising moment of the Jadas, ceases at the dissolution moment of another Jadas. In this case also, we can say the lifespan of the matter is to be 60 or 70 that moment. That's why, according to the Vibhanga Atthakatha here, a Khanda Vibhanga. So we have Khanda Vibhanga, Pradesmobhara Vibhanga, related to the lifespan of the matter. So according to Khanda Vibhanga Atthakatha, the lifespan of the matter is 70 thought moment. But according to Pradesmobhara Vibhanga Atthakatha, the lifespan of the matter is 60 thought moment. You cannot see this measurement, this calculation, you cannot see in the Pali, the original Pali. You can see only a Atthakatha. So which one is correct? We cannot make any decision here. Now we cannot say a 70 thought moment is correct or 60 thought moment is correct. So how about the Paramata Vibhavini Tika? Yesterday, I had studied already about Abhidhamata Vibhavini Tika. Abhidhamata Vibhavini Tika also agree that the lifespan of the matter is 70. So he quoted Pradesmobhara Atthakatha. He said, Abhidhamata Vibhavini Tika said, the Pradesmobhara Vibhanga Atthakatha, this opinion belongs to Keji, some scholars. That means he doesn't believe the lifespan of the matter is 16. So he doesn't make the Keji equal to him. Keji is a period to him. Now, we use the word Keji. you make that kg inferior to you, not senior, that is junior to you. So he also doesn't like the some of the scholars' opinion. The last part of the matter is to be 16. That's why he said kg. And then he also said he confirmed the attacker. Risadi Chitina, Sahupana Kamaja Rupa, Tato Pataya, Sadarasmena, Sadarasmena, Sade Nirojiti. Padisadi Chitasa Titekane Upana, Atarasmasa Upada Kane Nirojiti, Ti Arina. Atakataya mewa Sadarasa, Jetakanasa Agadada. He denies the Padijasmobada Wibaya Atakata. And he agrees, he confirmed the Atakata. So the confirm the lifespan of the matter is to be 70th moment. He denied the lifespan of the matter is 60th moment. This is the the opinion of Paramata Vibhavanitika. So let's see the opinion of the not Paramata, Abhidhamata Vibhavanitika. The opinion of Abhidhamata Vibhavanitika. Now we go to the Paramata Dibini. Paramata Dibini, as you may know, Paramata Dibini, Lady Searo. He is very well known in Myanmar, Lady Searo. He wrote this Paramata Dibini. Paramata Dibini. He criticized the idea of the Abhidhamata Vibhavanitika. He criticized a lot. He did not agree with many points for the Abhidhamata Vibhavanitika. So how about his opinion here? How he criticized the Atthakatha, Abhidhamata Vibhavanitika, Mulatika. He also criticized Mulatika. He also criticized everything. This the Lady Searo. So what is the opinion of Lady Searo? What is his view of the last part of the matters? Let's see. So the related to the lifespan, I will read here. Related to the Titakana, Titakana, according to the Mulatika, according to the Anutika, there is Titakana, but the Buddha did not expound a Abhidhamma. You see, the Buddha is founded there only Upadakane, Bankakane. That is not Titikane. The Buddha did not use the word Titikane. That's why Mulatika doesn't believe there is present moment of the Nama Rupa. So Anutika does agree with Mulatika. Anutika said, that is Vinaya Jasaya, according to the design of the individuals, according to the design of the Deva, the Buddha did not use the word Titikane. The Buddha used only Upadakane, Ibakakane. But there is Titikana. So Lady Searo also agree with Titikana, but he criticized Anutika, So we cannot say that there is no Titikana where there is no Titikana, because the Buddha did not expound Titikana, not because of the design, according to the design of the individuals. That is explanation. This claim is not good, he said, it's not good enough. But The Buddha also mentioned everything in Abhidhamma. Even though he did not mention Titikana. So he agreed with the Titikana, but he doesn't agree with the reason given by Nutika. Now we go to the lifespan of the matter here. Kanamata Topana, according to the movement, Atakta Nayena, now by Miso Atakata, Eka Panyasa Knani, 51 sub moment, Hunti here. The lifespan of the matter is to be said 70th moment according to the Atakta. 70th moment, but here 51 sub moment. The lifespan of the matter to be said 51 sub moment. The lifespan of the matter is to be considered 51 sub moment. Mula tika neyena tensa khanani. Mula tika neyena. According to Mula tika does it believe khana, you know? Titikana, sorry. Mula tika denies the existence of Titikana. That's why Mula tika neyena. According to Mula tika, tensa khanani. There are only 32 sub moment. The sub moment of the lifespan of the matters. According to Mulatika, Lady Sarah said, according to Mulatika, the lifespan of the matter is to be considered 32 sub moment. According to Atakta, 71 sub moment. According to Mulatika, 32 sub moment. That means Mulatika agree with the Pradija Samabhada Atakta. Pradija Samabhada Vibhaga Atakta. Mulatika agreed that the lifespan of the matter is to be considered 60th moment. 60th moment. Then he also denies the existence of present moment, Titikana. Then, according to him, the lifespan of the matter is only 32 sub moments. Only 2 sub moments. So here, this is the remark of the Lady Sarah. So Lady Sarah get remark here. According to the Atakata, the lifespan of the matter is 51 sub moment. The lifespan, according to Mulatika, the lifespan of the matter is 32 sub moment. This is the remarks of the Lady Sarah. So, according to this, so we can say Atakta believes the lifespan of the matter is 51 sub moment or 70th moment. According to Mulatika, the lifespan of the matter is 32 sub moment or 60th moment. So here, this is the difference is the two. Tata here, Vinyati Dwaya Ekachete Kanika. So the two Vinyati, two admission, two Vinyati has only one thought moment. Upaja Santati, your Upadamata, Upaja Santati, these two Lakshana Rupa has one the last for one sub moment, Upada moment. Anejata Bhagamata, Anejata has only the last for one sub moment, Bhaga. Charada Rupa Dhamana Titikanamata di Datapa. So here he also agreed with the Titikana. So he said, Charada Rupa Dhamana. The Rupa Charata Titikana Matati Datapa should be noted that the lifespan of the Charata lasts for one Titikana. So the two Vinyati has one Chitakana. Upaja Santati have only one Upadakana. The Anejada has one Pankakana. Jarada has one Titikana. So it continues. Mulatika niyana panita. Tani pana solasa Jetakanani Rupa Damana Mayuti Wataban. So Mulatika niyana panita. According to Mulatika, he has already, a birth. Now, according to Mulatika, the lifespan of the matter is to be 60th moment. Rupa Damana Mayu. Tika Chiriyo, why Mulatika? Mulatika believes the lifespan of the matter is only 60th moment instead of 70th moment. Tika Chiriyo hi, but yes, Mobara Wibangi Agada Maha Atakta Wajana. Here Mahatakta Wajana, we have one word here. But just Mobara Wibaga, that is the opinion of the Mahatakta. So Mahatakta, as I told you many times. So all the Atakta you see come from Mahatakta. So the Paticca Samabara Vipaga, the idea comes from Paticca Samabara Vipaga also. The words of Mahatakta. Mahatakta Vajana Pedo. So Tika, you see, Tika stands O Mahatakta, the view. The Tika teacher stands or Mahatakta views is said the lifespan of the matter is to be 16. To be 16. So here, Solasa Yuka Tawa Atireka Solasa Yuka Tawa Prisita Yuwa Hodi. He said here can be 60 or 60 plus 1. 60 plus 1, he said. He also denied one thing you see come from Vipawini. Actually, Vipawini, the come from the Mulatika here. Mulatika said, the page, no, I have to say, page number, we cannot say page number. So I need to share my screen. To share my screen here. Which one? Very difficult to find from here. So here, very difficult to find from here. So we have one sentence there, Parisadichidena Sopana Kamacharupa. Kamacharupa are raised at the moment are raised together with the Parisadi. That Dopataya Sadaras Mena Sade Nirojadi Nirojadi pro there on at the 70th moment. The matter raised at the with the Parisadi sees it together with the 70th moment. Parisadi Chedasa Chitakane Upanarupa Atarasamasa Ubadakane Nirojadi Adina Atakaya Mewa Sadarasa Chedakanasa Agatata. This is the word of the Abhidhamata Vibhavini Tika. Abhidhamata Vibhavini Tika certain Parisadi Chedena Sopana Ukamajarupa cited the statement, quotation, decide or agree or confirm the lifespan of the matter is to be 70th moment. But the Paramata Divinity Sayaro, Lady Sayaro said, tan not sondra. You see? Lady Sarah said, tan not sondra. That's not good. Abhidhamata Vibhavinitika made decision that the lifespan of the matter is to be 70th moment. But the Lady Sarah does it, they totally agree with him. That's why Lady Sarah said, tan not sondra. That's not good to say so. That's not good to say exactly the lifespan of the matter is to be 70th moment. The Lady Sarah said, why he gave the reason here? Yahi Sangha Karasa Sadarasa Yuka Vajana Tika Karena Vicharita. So the here Sangha Kara, the Atakta, the Atakta, the Atakta, India. Saghakara, we say Saghakara, Maha. So two is the Abhinama we see. Maha is Saghakara. Saghakara, the author who could find the Atakta before. The Sahakarasa, Satarasa Yuka Vajana, Tika Karena Vicharita. Tika has been examined, has been analyzed, has been classified. The lifespan of the rupa is to be 70. That dewa does it what Tikanya Pikito, Prekitodi. That's what does it what Tikanya Prekitodi, Nayodamida. That's not suitable to deny the idea of the Tika. But Tika said the lifespan of the matter is to be 16. To be 16. Abhidhamata Vibhavini Tika agrees that the lifespan of the matter is to be 17. And he made a decision that he said the lifespan of the matter is to be 70th moment. So Lady Sarah said, that's not good to say so, to say exactly so. See, that's not good to deny the Tika method. That's not good to deny Tika method. It's not suitable to deny Tika method, he said. So what is your opinion here? The last method, which the method you like, you just take it. But here, generally, it is believed, it is agreed that the lifespan of the matter is to be 70th moment instead of 60th moment. Which one you prefer? You prefer 70th moment or you prefer 60th moment? Any any methods or any opinion you could take. If you prefer 60th moment, you just take it. If you prefer 70th moment, you just take it. But it is not easy to say exactly the lifespan of the matter is to be 70th moment. You also can say, no, the lifespan of the matter is only 60th moment. You also can say. So which one you prefer? Hello?
So Sayadaw. So what about the sub moment, Sayadaw?
Sub moment also but Lady Sarah agree with the Titikana. Agree with Titikana where he said, Upajja Sandadi Jarada Anejada. Upajja Sandadi is equal to the arising moment. Jarada is equal to the existing moment. Anejada is equal to the dissolution moment. According to him, he believed that. But here we say 70, 60. These two, he did not deny any one of these two. He agreed with both.
And then I guess another important point is about Atita Pawanga Sayadaw. And yeah, I mean, if we have information on that, then then we would be able to say more, right? Because what we have been learning so far, I mean, our knowledge so far is that in the Panchadwara Vachana, Panchadwara Viti, then there should be 17. The lifespan of a rupa has to be 17 mind moments, right?
Yes.
So yeah, I mean, if there is any information about Atita Pawanga, that would be very helpful.
Here, when we are talking about the, especially we are talking about the Adimahada. So Adimahada, as soon as the matter strike the Basara, or as soon as the two matters strike each other, there is Pwanga Chalana. So some believe, you see, they believe Pwanga Chalana. So there is no Adita Pwanga where the two matter they pair each other, they touch, they strike each other. So strike, not strike like this, you know, they pair each other. So Pwanga Chalana arises there. No Adita Pwanga. So some believe so. A Pwanga Chalana arises there. A Pajadwara. But Manodwara, we can say there is no Adita. But the A Pajadwara, with the matter, the two matter, the strike at the visible object, strike at the indoor. So Waka Chalana arises there, vibration Pawanga. Because of the object, you know, vibration Pawanga arises. The cut out. Now the second time is cut out. So the according to that, so many also believe so. With the matter strike, the Basara, Bhaga Jalana arises. They believe Bhaga Jalana, only Bhaga Jalana arises. They don't believe is Adita Bhaga arises there. One Bhaga pass, they don't believe. They believe as soon as the object strike the Dwara, the Bhaga Jalana arises. That's why they believe the lifespan of the matter. If according to this, the lifespan of the matter is to be 60 only. See?
Yeah, Sayadaw.
But if the object is not very great, so there will be many Adita Bwanga and Dik. But in Manodwara, the Bhadadika Sayadaw also he writes his idea in his book, you know, whether Adita Bwanga should be there or not. So according to him, a Manodwara, so he examined related to Manodwara only, not Ibachadwara. A Manodwara, he said, Adita Bwaga should not be there. Adita Bwaga should not be there. Because, you know, when the Jeda Jedasika appear at Mindo, you know, at Mindo, no, there is no Adita Bwaga. For example, if the past object appear at Mindo, that past object, you know, the object is the past object. There is no arising moment, you know, the existing moment, dissolution moment. It has gone already. It has passed already. That's why as soon as it appears, the past object, as soon as the past object appears at Mindo, so Manodwara arises there. No Adita Bwaga. Sorry, Bwaga Janana Bhagupachara, sorry. Bwaga Jalana Bhagupachara arises. They Manodwara arises there. How about the future object? The future object also have not appeared yet, not arisen yet. It is in the future. No Upada, no Titi, no Banka. That's why when the future object appear also, There is no Adita Bhavanga. How about Panyati? Panyati, we say timeless. The momentless, we say. The Panyati, just Panyati. No, you see, arising moment, no existing moment, no dissolution moment. That's why when Panyati appear at mind door, the Manodwara, they just Bhavanga Jalana Bhagupachira, no Adita Bhavanga there. So the Bhadadika said also doesn't believe Adita Bhavanga. How about Nibbana? Nibbana, you know, timeless, we say. Nibbana, momentless also. When Nibbana appear at mind door, no Adita Bhavanga at all. Only Bhagavat Jalana Bhagupachira. They Manodwara, Raji there. We cannot say how the such as we how to say we cannot say, you know, how much the thought moment has gone. This object appear. This object appear, we cannot say it appear after some moment. We cannot say the object, you know, the past object, all these object, this object. So we cannot say there is Adita Bhavanga. So in the case of Anipana Rupa, Anipana Rupa, you know, like Vinyati, the Jarada, Nijara, all those also the same. Where those objects appear, where those Rupa appears, there is no Adita Bhavanga. He doesn't believe Adita Bhavanga to be coming to be. He doesn't believe. But he also do believe that in the case of Nibbana Rupa, you know, Nibbana Rupa, like Kamaja Rupa, Jirja Rupa, Ahaja Rupa, those are Nibbana Rupa. Not related to the Anipana Rupa. So the 18 Nibbana Rupa, in the case of 18 Nibbana Rupa, the 18 Nibbana Rupa can arise sometime at arising moment, sometime at existing moment, sometime at dissolution moment. So for those, there should be Adita Bhavanga in Manodwara. So he also believed Adita Bhavanga, even though in Manodwara. So Adita Bhavanga can be there a Pachadwara, and also it can be there a Manodwara for the present matter. Now present the Nibbana matter, Nibbana Rupa. Nibbana or Brinibbana. So this is Manibbana, let's say Nibbana Rupa. Not Anibbana Rupa. So according to the Bhadadika Sayadaw, you know, Manodwara, except the present matter, there will be no Adita Bhavanga. There is no Adita Bhavanga. But there is Adita Bhavanga in Pachadwara. So according to him, the lifespan of the matter can be both, you know, 60 or 70. So which one you want to take? If you take 60, you have 60. If you take 70, you have 70. So how is your opinion?
So you know, but in the general opinion of the in the tradition, then it should be 17, right? So, you know,
yes.
Because I mean, it's kind of important, right? Because when we do missionary work, right? When we teach other people, when we preach Dhamma, we have to kind of pick one of them.
Yes, only one thing.
Preach correctly, right? Because like, for example, when we talked about the Maranasanna Viti, then we say that the Kamacha, the last Kamacha Rupa is arising at the 17 mind moment counting back from Udipika. So that's kind of important. So we have to agree on the lifetime of the rupa in order to say that.
Yes. We need to follow general way in this case.
Yeah.
So the general way, general methods, the lifespan of the matter is 70th moment. In this case, you have one Atita Bhavanga there. See, in Bajadwara. You have the Bajadwara, Manodwara. You have one Atita Bhavanga. If you do not have one Atita Bhavanga there, if we start from Bhavanga Chalana, the lifespan cannot be 70. It can be only 16. So to follow the general opinion, we need to add one Atita Bhavanga there. The Viti Sangha also, one Atita Bhavanga passes there. The Bhavanga Jarana Bhagupachira. In the case of Ati Mahada Ramana. So the great object, the great object, with the great object appear there, one Atita Bhavanga passes. We have to take that opinion because the opinion is generally agreed, you know. But according to the Lady Searo, we cannot deny. So both are to be agreed. Both are to be designed, according to Lady Searo. But he doesn't deny also 70th moment or the lifespan of the matter 70th moment. He also doesn't deny. He also doesn't deny the lifespan of the matter is to be 60th moment. He also doesn't deny. But even though we do not deny, we had to follow the general opinions where we are spreading, you see, the Buddha's teaching, because everyone follows the general opinions. We also had to follow general opinions. The general opinion is not to be said, it's not it's not wrong to say. It's not to be said to be wrong, you know, the general opinion. The 60, the method of 60 that moment also is not wrong. It's not wrong. Acceptable, both are acceptable, but it's good to follow the general views. Here we discuss all these things. We want to make clear only. No? We don't want to make. We don't want to deny the idea that the last way of the matter is to be 70th moment. No, we just to know the various different opinions of the author before. So we also cannot decide. We also cannot say exactly who is right, who is wrong, because no Pali word, no the general Pali, no the canonical text mention about this. Only the Atthakatha, the ancient Atthakatha, and the later Atthakatha. Only the commentators, see, comment all these. So their comments could be right, could be wrong. But which one we follow, the generally which one is accepted. So we need to choose the accepted one only here, even though the other one is not wrong. Is it? How do you think?
Yes, of course.
Yes,
It's good, you know. Yes.
Mm-hmm. So now you how many moment is the lifespan of the rupa now? 70th moment.
Yes. General view.
But it's very, very interesting.
Yes.
The thought of ancient Sayadaw, I mean ancient commentators, when they say that the lifespan is 16 plus 1, that is very interesting.
Yes. Because no exact answer there. But not today. I think this is our conclusion. Is it? Now we are clear with our conclusion. Now we conclude now the lifespan of the matter, it should be 73rd moment. We are not going to talk about this in the crowd. We are not going to talk about this to others. The lifespan of the matter is only 63rd moment, no more. So we definitely have to say the lifespan of the matter is 73rd moment. So we had to say this one later, I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, if so, we go to Atakta. Atakta. Yeah. We have one more thing here. Not one more, many. But Ekopada Ikani Roda. Very slow, you know, my computer. Maybe because of software or because of computer, I think. Computer is mostly not good enough.
Is it a laptop?
This one, you see the Celeron, you know, Celeron. PTN here, PTN. Ether PTN. So very slow, you see here.
So it's okay, Seattle. You just read. We can read it by ourselves also.
Okay, so Ekopada Ekani Roda Todi. Do you see it?
Yes, Seattle.
Ekopada Ekani Roda To. So if you see it, now I'm going to read here my books. Ekopada Ekani Roda Todi. Rupa Panna Rupena Saha Ekopada Ekani Roda. Arupa Arupena Saha Ekopada Ekani Roda. Ewa Ekopada Ekani Roda To Udita Po. Here the Ekopada Niroda Udita Po. As to single arising is single cessation. Materiality is of single arising is single cessation together with materiality. Matter arising together, cessation together. That the immaterial is of single arising is single cessation together with the immaterial. Nama arising together with the nama is cessation together with the nama. Rupa arising together with the rupa is cessation together with the rupa. So that's clear. You know, the Jeta arising together, Sise together, Ekobara Ekaniroda. The Rupa Kalapa also. Now the Rupa is Jakudasaka Kalapa. So we one arises, the other 9 also arises at the same time. They arise together. They all those 10 see together. So we will say matter, Ekobara Ekaniroda. So the group of matter, we refer to the respective group of matters, respective group of matter, not all the matter at the same time. So the Ataklapa, for example, Ataklapa, there are many Ataklapas in our body. Here we refer to the matters which is the same, which pertain to the same Kalapa. The matter pertaining to the same Kalapa arise together, is see together. Ekobara Ikaniroda. But for the Nama, also the same. Where Jeta, one Jeta arises, that Jeta arises together with the other Nama, the Jetasika. Now Jeta and Jetasika, they are all a Nama. We want arises, all the others arise together. We want sees it, all the others see together. So Rupa is Ekopada Ekaniroda. Nama to Nama Ekopada Ekaniroda. This is the Pali. That should single arising and single cessation be understood. Yeah, A1 Ekani Roda, Ekobara Ekani Roda to Udita Bo. This is Ekobara Ekani Roda. Wow.
Seattle is a Vedita Bo or you Vedita Ba?
Udita Ba should be understood. Udita Ba. Udita Ba. What do you have? Do you have Udita Po?
You said the Veditapa, that's why I'm asking.
No, Veditapa. So how about the Mulatika? Anything he said? Tatopara. Yeah, Mulatika did not say anything. How about Nutika? Related to this, what Mulatika said? Mulatika said here, Rupapana Rupena. See? Rupapana Rupena Sahadi Adina. Yeah, Rupapana Rupena Sahadi Adina. Yata Atakraya Wotan. This is the idea of the Atakra, he said. Tatha. Tatha. Ekopada Ekani Rodata Rupana Arupehi. Arupana Rupehi Janati. Even though the Asian commentator said, Rupa said, Rupa Rupena Saha, Ekopada Ikaniroda, Arupa Arupena Saha, Ekopada Ikaniroda. Even though he said so, there is no Ekopada Ikaniroda or Rupa Arupa, he said. Nati Tikatwa, Rupana Rupe Hewa, Arupana Arupe Hi, Yojida. Rupana Arupehi, or here, no. Rupana Arupehi, Arupana Rupehi, Nati Tikatwa. He think, yeah, Katwa, he think, he think or he makes there is no matter to arise a seed together with the nama. There is no nama to arise together a to see together with the rupa. Make it that he said Rupana Rupehiwa Arupana Arupehi Yojita. Make it that he said Rupa arises is ceases together with the rupa. Nama arises is ceases together with the nama. He says so. But how about Anutika said? Anutika said, Nati Tikatwadi Yidipi Yata Atakraya Wotan. Tata Ekopada Dekaniroda do Rupana Arupehi Arupana Jarupehi Nati. Even though he said Nati, Yataja Amehi Wotan Tata Ati Yewa Adibado. So, Mulatika, the Mulatika here, he doesn't like his sound. You see, it's not to be accepted, to accept, his sound. So we need to link Rupa Arase together with the Rupa, Nama Arase together with the Nama. So he said that, but his word is not. It does not, his word does not seem to like that paragraph, to like to please, to accept that idea. That's why Yataja Amehota Tata Atiwadi Adebayo. The Natidikatwa, the word Natidikatwa, not the signable word for the Mulatika. Mulatika does it like the word Natidikatwa. See, does it like the idea of the Atakta? He used the word Nati Tikatwa. So he used thinking there is no. He used this word. He doesn't like actually. He doesn't like. That's why he used such kind of word. But the how to say? The correct, how to say, his real opinion, there is Rupa to arise and to sit together with the Nama. Sorry. There is also Nama that arise together with the Rupa and sit together with the Rupa. He do believe, Mulatika do believe, matter arises together with the mind, is together with the mind. And the mind arises together with the matter, is together with the matter. Maybe here, no reason is skipping here. Maybe he referred to the Vinyati or Lakkhana. Vinyati, arises together with the mind, is together with mind. Then Lakkhana also arises together with the mind, ceases together with mind. See? Actually, both Vinyati and Lakkhanas are not real Rupa. So those matter are not real matters. Arises together with the mind, ceases together with the mind. But the Mulatika also did not give the reason, Anutika also did not give the reason. Anutika remark here. Why Mulatika said Nati Tikatoa? Why Mulatika said this word? Nati Tikatoa. That means Mulatika agreed that the matter arise together with the mind is see together with the mind. And the mind also arise together with the matter is see together with the matter. So there is the meaning of the Nati Tikatoa. You see Anutika. Yathaja Amahi Wotan Tata Ati Yawadi Adebayo. Because Mulatika, the fruit confirms many times, Ekobara Nananiroda, Nanupara, Eganiroda. So matter arises together with the mind, is together with the mind. He has said already those things. Here, Yataja Amehoda. As we have said before, he said. Yataja Amehoda. As we have said before, Tata Atiwadi. There is Ekopada Ekaniroda or Rupa Arupena Arupa Rupena. So you can have, you see, Ekopada Ekaniroda, or you can have the Ekopada Ekaniroda, you can take any way here. So according to the Atakta, mind can be Ekopada Ekaniroda with mind only. Matter can be Ekopada Ekaniroda with matter only. That is Mulatika. But according to the Jeta Samuthana Dukkha, Sabhuna Dukkha, Sabhu Dukkha, mind arises together with the Vinyati, Lakkhana, is ceases together with them. Or Vinyati, Lakkhana arise together with the mind, is see together with the mind. According to this, Mulatika denies the idea of that matter can be Ekopada Ekaniroda with matter only. The mind can be Ekopada Ekaniroda with the mind only. So he denied this. He denied this. Say yes. His idea is acceptable for me. So how about you?
Yeah, well, I mean, we know that as Sayadaw said earlier, right? I mean, what is that? The two Vikati Rupa, right?
Vinyati Rupa.
Vinyati.
Yes. So we know that those are rising and ceasing together with the Chitta, right? So I think maybe that's the reason why the Mulatika doesn't seem to agree with the Atakatha.
Atakatha. Ekopada Ekaniroda. So Nanopada Nananiroda, the last one. Last one, better to continue tomorrow. So the last one. Tomorrow, maybe we can finish this one and we can go on to the Kamadi Vinajya. So this Pakenaka Ekamadi Vinajya. So this week, and then we can finish the Kanawipanga Suttada Bhajaniya. Then we had to go to Abhidhamma Bhajaniya.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for listening. Let's start our class by say Buddha Sasana Jira Detetu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detetu. Buddha Sasana Jiratatu, Buddha Sasana Jiratatu, Sadhu, Sadhu, Sadhu.
Sadhu,
Sadhu.
sadhu, sadhu. Thank you so much, Sayadaw.
Thank you so much, Sayadaw. See you
Take care of
tomorrow,
yourself.
Sayadaw.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Yes, Sayadaw.